Good day everyone, my name is James H. I am from Bachelor of Secondary, major in Mathematics. So I am first year college. So for today's vlog, I am going to teach you on how to multiply a polynomials. So like first term to three terms or third terms like that. So we're going to discuss to multiply a polynomials. But before we're going to proceed in our discussion or in our procedure, so don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification bell of my YouTube channel so that you're updated in my upcoming videos or math tutorials about in different fields of math. So I hope I can post many videos so that I can teach to those students that has a difficulties in solving a math problem. So let's go. Good day everyone. So I'm back. I'm James H. So now we're going to talk about multiplying a polynomial. So multiplying a polynomial. So for example, you have an equation. So 4x times 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. So always remember in multiplying a polynomial. So for example, there's a exponent. Okay. So for example, in this given, so we have exponent of 2. So and they have the same variable, which is the x, right? So in multiplying polynomials or any integers that has an exponent, so the rule is you need to add the exponent. So in this case, this example 4x. So 4x times 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. So in this case, you only need to distribute. So distribute this 4x. So you're going to distribute this 4x to 3x squared, to 4x, and to 1. Okay? Again, you're going to distribute the 4x to 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. So in this case, so you're going to distribute, and in multiplying a polynomials, you're going to add the exponent. So in this example, so 4x times 3x squared, and again in multiplying a polynomials, always multiply first the coefficient or the number and followed by the variable. Okay, so in this case, so 4x times 3x squared, so we have 12. Then again, you're going to add the exponent. So we have a 2 exponent, and in the 4x we have imaginary 1 exponent. Okay, in this case, so we're going to copy the x. Then we have the exponent of 2 plus 1, so we have 3. So we have 12x 3 or raised to 3. Then 4x times 4x, so we have 4 times 4, so we have positive. So we have positive 16. Then copy the variable, which is the x, and then 1 plus 1, so which is 2. And lastly, so we have positive 4x. So we have positive 4x. Okay, so that very simple. You're going to distribute and add the value of the exponent. So the answer of this equation would be 12x cubed or raised to 3 plus 16x squared plus 4x. Then always remember and don't forget in your mind that if you are going to multiply a positive to positive number, so the result would be positive, and you're going to multiply a negative number by a negative number, so the answer would be positive. But if you're going to multiply a positive and a negative number, so the result would be negative. So this is the answer. So next, so in this case, so for example, this case, so you're going to multiply the x plus 3 multiplied to x plus 4. So some said that you're going to use the FOIL method. But for me, so it just like also a FOIL method. So for me, you're going to multiply the x to x, then x to 4, and then 3 to x, and 3 to 4. It's just a similarity to FOIL method. It is a FOIL method also, right? Because inner and first, then outer, then inner, and last. Okay, this is okay, I forget it. This is also a FOIL method. Okay, so in this case, so you're going to first x times x, so we have x squared. So we're going to add the exponent, so 1 plus 1, so 2. Then x times 4, so we have plus 4x. Then 3 times x, so we have positive 3x. So 3 times 4, so we have positive 12. Then combine the similar terms, so we have x squared, then 4 plus 3, so we have positive 7. Bring down the variable x plus 12. So in this case, you're going to use the FOIL method. Okay, FOIL method. So I forget, this is the FOIL method. This is the FOIL method. So because you're going to multiply first to first, then outer. We're going to multiply the outer. Okay, the outer, then the inner, and the plus. Okay. So another example. So in this case, so 2x squared. So 2x squared minus 3x times x plus 6. So again, you're going to use the FOIL method, right? So in this case, so 2x squared times, okay, you're going to multiply this first to this. So we have 2x cubed. So why 2x cubed? Because 2x times 1, so 2 times 1, so 2. Then the variable, so x squared. So 2 plus 1 would be 3, okay? Then 2x squared times 6, so we have 6 times 2, so we have positive 12x squared. And then negative 3x, okay, negative 3x times x, so we have negative 3 times 1, so we have negative 3x, so x squared. So why x squared? Because the variable x has a imaginary 1 exponent. So 1 plus 1 would be 2. Okay, so 2. Then last, so negative, okay, negative 2x, then negative 2x here, and then negative 3x times x, and then the last is negative 3x times 6. So 6 times 3, so 6, 12, 18, and then the sign, so negative 8, 18, negative 18x. So combine similar terms, so we have 2x cubed, and then so in this situation, 12x squared minus 3x squared, so automatically you're going to minus, and then follow the sign of the biggest value. So we have a positive 12, so it has a biggest value compared to negative 3, so we have the sign of positive 12 minus 3, so we have 9x squared. Then bring down negative 8, 10x. So that is the final answer when you're going to multiply 2x squared minus 3x times x plus 6. So okay, 12x squared,
so keep your head
negative 3x squared Okay. So this is the final answer. So that is the process on multiplying a polynomial. So I hope I teach you on how to multiply a polynomial. So thank you. God bless. Before this vlog end, I would like to thanks or I have given a credits to the following or to the following person or application. So first, I would like to thanks to this man or Sir Matthew Cañeda because he is our instructor and he's the one behind this activity or having a YouTube tutorial. So I'm very glad to have this man because he is very active in terms in teaching us. So thank you, sir, for having us this opportunity. The next, this application, the CapCut and the EDV recorder, because this application really helps me in editing, and recording myself while making the videos. So I'm glad to have this application. And lastly, I would like to thank the ASCAT or my school because they gave me an opportunity to enroll to this course so that I can improve or explore about mathematics. So I'm very thankful to this following man and application. So that's all into this math tutorial. So I hope you learned a lot in my YouTube tutorial. Thank you. God bless.